Welcome to the February podcasts of the journal Endoscopy, the official organ of the European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy and affiliated societies. Once again, we present the summaries of 3 articles appearing in this month's issue of the journal. We hope you find them interesting and relevant to practice. Colonoscopy is the current standard method for evaluating the colon. Recent surveys have shown that the proportion of individuals aged 50 years or older who have undergone colonoscopy within the last 10 years is growing and currently ranges from 6% to 25% in various European countries to 62% in the United States. Bowel preparation for colonoscopy is a complex undertaking involving diet modifications and laxative choice according to patient needs. An adequate level of cleansing is critical for the efficacy of colonoscopy. 2 key quality indicators of colonoscopy, cecal intubation rate and polyp detection rate, are associated with the quality of bowel cleansing. An inadequate level of bowel cleansing also results in further costs as the examination has to be rescheduled or alternative investigations have to be organized. Furthermore, the discomfort and inconvenience of bowel preparation may affect the acceptability and uptake of colonoscopy in screening programs. An evidence-based and consensus-based guideline was commissioned by the European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy to provide caregivers with a comprehensive review of the various regimens available and with practical advice for bowel preparation before colonoscopy. In a recent issue of Endoscopy, Hassan et al. Present their guidelines based on analysis of results after an extensive literature search in their study entitled Bowel Preparation for Colonoscopy, European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy Guideline. All members of the Guideline Development Group agreed to the final draft of the guidelines. Evidence tables were generated for each key question, summarizing the level of evidence of the available studies. For important outcomes, the authors individually assessed articles by using the grading of recommendation, assessment, development, and evaluation system for grading evidence levels and recommendation strengths. The grade system is clinically oriented as the grading of recommendations depends on the balance between benefits and risks or burden of any health intervention. Here is a summary of the recommendations. Background and aim. This guideline is an official statement of the European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy. It addresses the choice amongst regimens available for cleansing the colon in preparation for colonoscopy. Methods. This guideline is based on a targeted literature search to evaluate the evidence supporting the use of bowel preparation for colonoscopy. The grading of recommendations, assessment, development, and evaluation system was adopted to define the strength of recommendation and the quality of evidence. Results. The main recommendations are as follows. 1. The ESGE recommends a low-fiber diet on the day preceding colonoscopy. Weak recommendation, moderate quality evidence. 2. The ESGE recommends a split regimen of 4 liters of polyethylene glycol solution, or a same-day regimen in the case of afternoon colonoscopy for routine bowel preparation. a split regimen or same-day regimen in the case of afternoon colonoscopy, 2-liter PEG plus ascorbate or of sodium picosulfate plus magnesium citrate may be valid alternatives, in particular for elective outpatient colonoscopy. Strong recommendation, high-quality evidence. In patients with renal failure, PEG is the only recommended bowel preparation. The delay between the last dose of bowel preparation and colonoscopy should be minimized and no longer than 4 hours. Strong recommendation, moderate quality evidence. 3. The ESGE advises against the routine use of sodium phosphate for bowel preparation because of safety concerns. Strong recommendation, low quality evidence.